Hello from Slide Nerd and hello from Waves. If you're still watching this, oh, please give yourself a big pat on the back because this is a very complicated program if you're a beginner. Alright, so let's go and finish this. At this point, we have everything set up. As you guys remember, we had this list view that we wanted to create, titles and everything. The data was put inside. We made an adapter also. So let's actually finish the adapter by setting these values for the image and these descriptions and the titles. Alright, so here I'm gonna say my image dot set image resource. I need to change the image each time, right? So here I need to pass a single element out of our array. The first question is which element should I pass, and second question is where is the array. So let's actually bring that array inside. If you have the constructor here, let's actually put in int images array here as a third parameter, or I can say int I for keeping things simple, or imgs. Here let me make our array which is actually int images. This images is imgs. So by doing this, I brought this image array from somebody who's gonna call this adapter here inside this variable. So now I can use this variable by saying this set images. So images of what? As you guys remember, if you see our images here at the top, we had 0, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the resources set, right? So which image should be set? Now remember, get view is called each time for each row. For the first row, the value of this int position is 0. For the second row, the value of this int position is 1, and so on. So in short, we can simply put images of position over here. So that means when we are creating the first row, the get view method is called 0 is passed over here. This images of 0 will be set as our background image, and if you see images of 0 is nothing but the meme 1 over here. This is the logic behind setting resources, right? So the same way we have to go and set the values for the text view which is my title and the other text view which is my description. Let's do that. Say my title dot set text. Again, I'm gonna need that array over here so that I can refer to that exact position. All right, so here I already have the string titles, right? So let's go and make here another string array. I can hold it inside string. I'm running out of names, so here I'm gonna say this dot title array equals to equals to titles. So now this title array variable contains our entire array, which is meme 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever titles we gave, right? So here I can simply say title array of position. Again, remember, the first row needs to be created by the list view. It will call the get view method. It will supply this value of position as 0. That means my title, your text view, is gonna have a text which will be title array of 0, which is nothing but meme 1. That is our description exactly inside our strings.xml. This is the first element. All right, same way descriptions work. So let me go and finish that as well. Again, I need the array over here for descriptions. So here at the top, let me go and import that from the other guy who's gonna call this. Here I'll call it string description array. Again, the same thing I need to do by saying this dot description array equals to desk. And here at the bottom, I'm gonna say description array of position. All right, wow, that's a lot of code. Now at this point, everything is almost done except one thing. Go here inside our onCreate method, create a reference to our adapter by saying waves adapter equals to new waves adapter. Remember the parameters we need to pass. We need to pass a context. First is this, second is the titles array, which is nothing but meme titles here. Next is the int images. We can again pass that by saying images here, and the third last parameter is the description array, which is nothing but meme descriptions here. So all the data has been passed to the adapter and it has been initialized. Next step is to actually set the adapter by saying list.setAdapter and passing our adapter inside. Alright, so at this point there is only one thing which is actually remaining. Here I have said return super blah blah blah. Remove that super statement and actually return this custom row that we created, which contains our relative layout, right? Because that is the ultimate view which you want to put inside a single row. So I'm gonna go here, say return row, click run here at the top. Alright, so there you go folks. Finally, bam, we're done. After such a huge piece of code, we have our complete list view with images working here just like expected. But as you guys notice, it takes a lot of time to scroll up and down because of a large number of objects being created and destroyed. So in the next video onwards, I will start talking about how to optimize this for better performance, because as you guys can see, it's very slow. So if you guys can try more elements out, let me know how it goes for you. But hopefully you guys have understood something out of this video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel, comment, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next vid. Have a nice day.